Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can move folder or file in Google Drive. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Drive, and for example, I'm going to move one of the folder in my Google Drive. I'm going to go to my drive, and for instance, I'm going to move this folder to another folder in this drive. If we want to move something, we can click on the three dots on the item we want to move. Oops, sorry. We can click on the three dots to go to the more action. And then we can click on organize and then select move. And you can choose folder or drive you want to move your item to. For example, I'm going to move it to this folder. So we can click on move. Okay, and now this folder has been moved to this folder. Okay guys, and that's all the way to move item in Google Drive. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.